So this is day 8, that is Maha Ashtami, and I'm very sorry I couldn't take all the glimpse of my GRWM, but yes, now I am in my home pandal, that is Ananda Parishad, and we are all set to rock Durga Puja and to rock the whole festival. Yes, we are very excited. At the same time, I am suffering with high fever, but I'm not letting this kind of jazz to come in this field, because this is the time which comes in a year, and this is the time which we all wait for. So this is what it is, and yes, this is it. So I will show you all the outfit and whatever I have done. So for now, this is the starting of the vlog. So yeah. Hello everyone. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Yeah, my God.
Sanusharasanam rajatadrisham yaniketanam Sindhinikrita pannageshwara achyutanana sayakam Chittadakta puratrayam tridivanayairavrivanditam Chandrashekharamashraye mama kim karishyati vayyama Chandrashekharamashraye mama kim karishyati vayyama Chandrashekhara 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 pahi maam Chandrashekhara 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 raksha maam
महिला मंडल का हमने ये करी दिया